Yo, Sakafet, I'm Samy Beatz. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a fire Afrobeat instrumental step by step. Starting with the melody, and then I will create the drum using the Kaya kit from UJam to try to bring in this fire vibey Afrobeat drum. So let's have some fun. Let's set our tempo. I think I'm gonna go with 90, so slow tempo. We start with our corporation. I think I have something in mind. Okay, we just create that. I think I'm gonna go like, okay. Okay, let's see if that's good. I'll queue, quantize everything, go to cell, comment L. Let's do it like that. And then we duplicate it, command B. Now we have a 4-bar pattern, and I think I wanna go with something from synth. We are just gonna try to find maybe some pad, you know. Let's go to drive. I think I download this. Okay, we can use this one. Command C, command V. Okay, let's call this one pad. And then we are going to remove some of the low and also some of the high. Let's use the parametric EQ2. We filter. No, this brings more emotion to your instrumental. Nice. Okay, now I think I wanna add a sub, just to make this sound much more interesting. You know, I wanna be able to find vibe when I'm creating my instrumental. Okay, it's pretty simple. You just follow the roots note, but let's start here. And then here, and then okay, nice. Command L, command B. Okay, this is a little bit too simple. On this one right here, we can do like nice. Woo! I think I have an idea. Let's bring in some guitar. We go to the Afrobeat module and then go to Afro guitar. Okay, I remember I loved this one back in the day. Let's go to Blata and then we try to find a vibe. Let's see. Okay, this one is on B flat, E flat, minor. I mean, we are on the key of C. Minor, which was minus 300. Yeah, I think. Let's go. Nice. Nice. That's really nice. We add some reverb. And then also we add some delay. Okay, I am going to use the pancake to create this panning automation that I want, let's go to 1.5 bar. Nice. Woo! Let's go Alt X and nice, okay. And then nice. Now it's time to add vocal chop. You know I love adding vocal chop in my instrumental. Adding vocal chop can bring vibe to an instrumental and take it to another level. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go trying to find some vocal chop and then get back to y'all. Guys, I don't wanna do too much with the vocal chop. I find those two they are in the same key as our song. Let's start with the first one. I think I want it to be there. And then I want this to be here. Ooh. Maybe this should be here. Let's start here. Woo! Now for the drum, I'm gonna use the Kaya kit from UJam. It's basically an instant Afrobeat groove machine. With this kit, it's easy to get that real Afro bounce without programming every single drum sample. You just pick the style you want, tweak some knob here and there, and then you got an authentic Afrobeat pattern. It's perfect when you want to stay in the vibe and let the rhythm guide your creativity. So let's see what we can create with it. Now we open Beatmaker to access the kit. We go to I can call this one a library or browser, and then we go to the Kaya kit, which is an Afrobeat kit, and then you can use those knobs right there. This one add more movement to it. I think those or delay. You know what? Let's see. That's a filter. Okay. Add that a saturation, and then this ambience is gonna be reverb or delay. Yeah, that's delay combined with reverb. Let's see. Put this one at 0. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Okay, I don't think that's the one I want. Let's see. This one called Zaza. Let's see. Okay, that's not that bad. Let's see. Yeah, that sounds good actually. That's why. Woo! Guys, don't forget to check out the Kaya kit. The link is gonna be in the description box. Okay, that's our kick. And one thing I love with this one is like you have all the single sample that compose the drum loop that we have right there. So now I want to add a kick. Okay, good. Now we are. That's not bad. It's like you try to customize the loop that you already have, and then we do the same thing here. Let's pull it like okay. Let's go here to see. Let's put this one here. Okay, comment B. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, I think now we can find a crash. Sorry, let's take this down a little bit. And also one thing that is very important to notice is like those velocity right there, they work. For some plugin, I don't know why this happened with some plugin, is like you create the melody and then you try to bring down the velocity, it doesn't work in FL Studio. So this one works and it's fire. Woo! This one is too loud. Let's take it down. Okay, and then we can definitely take this crash right there just to bring more crazy to it, and then we go. Woo, that's a vibe. Guys, you can see how easy it is to create some vibey drum pattern. Let me solo the drum for y'all, and it sounds like this. We can remove the ambient, keep it simple. Let's play with the pitch. I don't like it. I don't like it. We keep it simple like that, and then now we play. Bam. Yeah guys, so let me just make a little arrangement so we can listen in context. Guys, that's it for the little arrangement. Now I'm gonna let you enjoy the vibe we create. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question about the kit, please leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to check it out. The link will be in the description box. So see you in the next one.